Okay, so welcome to what is now the third instalment of Poor Boys RC 2024 Speedrun Challenge. MFO1X running the GI Yaris body. Made a couple of changes since the second run. I've actually changed the ESC to a Hollywing 1060. We've got the really red on 15-turn motor. I've also changed the pinion, so I've gone from the stock 16mm up now into the low 20s. Let's see how that goes. Still running nickel metal hard drive battery, brush category, mods, bearings, shocks, titanium screw kit, metal motor plate, servo mount, and obviously wheels and tyres up to the maximum diameter. So this is just another setup run, see how we go with this setup, and we'll take it from there. Hopefully this should be more than enough to beat the current record of, I think, 15 miles an hour. So let's crack on, see how we get on. Certainly a bit livelier than last time. So here we go, stop and read 30 miles an hour, double what we had before. So something to work on. Obviously the tracking wasn't quite there, but not too far away. I think one of the tyres is slightly coming off the rim. They are glued, but yeah, there's a slight I think there's a slight coming off there. But good base to work from, and hopefully crack on with fourth attempt at some point in the next week. Catch you later.